Hey guys, we're on Fastoon, and I got some glitches for you. And this glitch was actually found by Dark Jack, who wanted me to show it to you. Okay, so you stand in the crack of the ship, and you just high jump, and it should push you pretty far. Oh, you didn't see that, but yeah, it pushes you really far. Guys, this is the first technique of the game that has been discovered, not by myself. It's been floating around online a bit. It's the Razor Claw glitch, where you can climb walls with it. Baron Earth 42 of the GameSpot forums helped me out with it. So anyway, you equip your Shredder or Razor Claws, depending on what you have, and you're gonna high jump, hit circle, and then just high jump again. I hold R2 the whole time, and then just press circle, and then keep pressing X after you do it. And then, yeah, if I didn't say a 90-degree angle surface from top to bottom, I don't know if I said that or not. So just keep doing that until you get to where you want. And then, yeah, you'll be where you want. And I was just walking through there. And you can do this pretty much any surface, any planet. So I definitely recommend buying those if you don't have them. And let's get on to some other glitches. Okay, this is right there on the map. If you don't know where I am, right there. Okay, right where you have to use Decryptor. Come right over here. This is really basic. You guys might have found this. So you can get on top of that. Just go around. And you can go in this tunnel. Drop down there if you want. Go over here. And there is that girl, whatever her name is. I fell. Oops. Well, you're down here, and no enemies will come unless you go through that door, which is the decryptor one. And this is where the boss is, in the court of whatever. So you can come over to this side, and not that, or that. Do that just a few times. And get on top of this. And now, while you're on it, you can just go and skip this whole part, so you don't need to beat any enemies, and then you can just go right on in. But I don't really like doing that. Never mind, I'm actually gonna Razor Claw this wall, just to show you guys that Razor Clawing is awesome. See, and you're up here, and then you can fly in there and stand on it, and go to the end, and no enemies, or go like that. Guys, I'm right in front of the battle, and here's the thing. I actually don't have enough ammo to get to the top of this, because I only have 50, and I'm only on level 5, or version 5, whatever. So I think in challenge mode, you probably have more ammo. But for now, this is all I got. And I'm going to go up and show you what you can do when you're up there. I guess I should just make it faster. Okay. Don't worry. Or you can just go somewhere else. I want to get up there. Look at it. You guys probably can, which stinks. But, oh, that's really it. Oh, a path. I wonder how far this goes. Okay, it goes to like the end. Pretty long path. Oh, it goes like all the way back to the beginning. And you could Razor Claw up this if I had any ammo. But I don't. And I'm over there. Oh, I am off the map. I am not on the map at all. Alright. Whoa. So yeah, razor clawing can do a lot of good things. A lot. Whoa. Oh crap. I didn't know that would happen. I'm going back. I came back and I'm going to go down it. So I'll just tap X and hopefully it'll work. Oh crap. Oh no. Okay, I made it around. I haven't beat the game, so I don't know if this is an area you get to after the boss. But it's all... There looks to be a platform at the bottom. Alright, there it is.
Yeah, this is looking like a dome. You might fight someone here. I don't know.
Yeah, I guess I should have really beat the game first before I went and tried this. Wow. It's so detailed, there has to be something. Okay, there it is. There are some boxes. Okay, it's a battleground. I know that. I guess that's it. At least I made it, and I found this area. Oh well. Oh well. I'll go fight the boss then. Alright guys, here's a glitch on, I guess this part of the boss. I'm not sure if there are a couple parts. Take out your razor claws, shredder claws, and climb this. This is the hard part. You gotta get around it, and then, yeah, I got it. You don't really have to go too high, because once you get to the top, oh crap, you pretty much are stuck. So you could just fly right now. So you can walk on all of this. Oh, you can jump past that and probably kill yourself. Or you could just shoot him from here and kill him. I'm gonna jump. Let's see what happens. Yeah, he's still fighting me. Teleport. Or okay, I'm gonna teleport and see what happens. Cause I wasn't there before. Oh, just back to your ship, but you're still fighting him. Okay. Okay, guys, I actually downloaded some game saves to do the 100%, and it turns out that you can't get more than 50 ammo, so it's gonna be really hard to get on top of that thing, remember, where I ran out of ammo. So yeah, I hope you can forgive me for that, and live with what you have. And to go wait for part 4, which should be good. Better than this. No, I don't know, I'm just saying, but whatever. See you around.